Hi guys, Legorath here, and welcome to a new episode of Myst Survival. So, in the last episode, we did a lot of things. In fact, we started to place all of the gates, and in between episodes, I did place most of the what I call the blueprints. I've also built the first real gate here, and it will go all the way around our base. The reason I've put that is because I want to be able to begin to close this area up, and I'm probably going to start by here because I want to know how it will fit for the tree base I want to put here and to see what we can bring down. But one of the first things I want to do today is to check a few things around here, like the fuel. Fuel situation is going very good at the moment, I must say. I also went off camera and destroyed a few cars around, well, not just around the base, but around the places we already looted, just to make sure that all the cars that had some fuel are not destroyed, and those that don't give away any fuel have been destroyed. So, yep, you're gonna see less cars. One of the things I wanted to do is, I don't think I've hit this place at any point during the game, but I don't want you, Leo, to go there. So, Leo, stay here. Good boy. I do have my shotgun. I do have my gas mask. So, hello friends. How are you doing? Good? Me too. Say hi to the shotgun. Oh, that's good. Well, the food, not the rag. Hi. Anybody home? Anybody else want some? Can I sneak you? Give me the sneak kill. Nope, you're not gonna give it to me. Oh, that was bad. And that was good. Okay. So, I think we're done with... No, Leo! Don't! Leo! I don't want you to breed that stuff. Come over here, boy. Stay. Oh, God. No, I don't want you to breed that green stuff. It's bad for your health. Oh, leather. That's pretty good, actually. Quite a lot of food here. Some more leather. Wow. We're going to be set for leather for a long time with the animal hides I did dry and turned into leather. Batteries, salt, closed door, mask at 64. Okay, that was a nice hit. Let's pick this up here. We do not have any lockers or anything around here. Let's proceed. The mask goes down pretty quick. Really? We have to unlock... Okay, that is bogus. To say the least. What? Let's try another time. Nope, it's not working, so we're gonna get out because the mask is at 1% and it's down to 0. Leo, I feel like I have been stolen. Come back. Is there a bottle here? Yep, there sure is. Spider dog? You're kind of freaking me out, Leo. Come, boy. Please don't be broken. Also, in the last episode, we made a new friend. Which is... gone? Oh no, he's here. Okay. Hello, Scott. Don't give me that look, Scott. I'm gonna make you cut trees. Don't you worry. What about my inventory? Whoa, I'm pretty thirsty and hungry. Okay, we're gonna make sure that we don't stay that way. Which one is the worst? 92.3 is probably the worst one. Sorry, was scratching my head. Okay, didn't bring it up that much. And I need 3.6 is the next one to be eaten. Good. I was also hit by a mist between episodes when I was sorting things out in between the episodes. Yep, just like I was saying, birds. Let's put all of that good stuff in here. And I was right up here slaying some good people, infected people, and we've got more electronic parts. So we're probably gonna be able to build both of those floodlights, which will resolve a problem we have with lighting inside. I did build the repair bench because we have a broken hunting rifle, which is right here, and I want to be able to repair that bad boy. So what do I need? Oh, I need you, eh? Yep, I need you. So I need to upgrade the workshop. 4 gears, 15 scrap metal, and that military component box. Okay, so let me regroup, sort some things out, and I'm going to be right back with you guys in just a moment. Back we are. So I'm facing kind of an issue. We need more gears because, yep, I only have 1 gear left. Wow. We go through gears like it's nothing. So we're going to build both floodlights. And as you can see, you can actually bring them down or up and turn them on. Yeah, that's going to be good. I also need gears for you. Yep. Okay. But I'm gonna build the other floodlight. I'm gonna put you down a little bit. And I'm gonna turn you on too. Oh yes, that's gonna make such a huge difference. You use a little bit more power though. Oh, that's to have the fuel. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna turn them on when I'm not gonna be there. Also, I think I'm gonna destroy this. Do I have my sludgy on me? Nope, I don't. I'm gonna put back the electronic parts I have right here. Thank you very much. So yeah, my components and metal scrap reserves are quite low, and that's why I destroyed a few cars around the map. Did I see someone walk there? Or no, okay, that was just not an optical illusion, but close to that. So yeah, we need metal scraps, and a lot of them. And I don't know where I can find that, except for when we find them on the ground when we loot, or by destroying cars. This is going to be something to worry about. What do I need to build this? Because I think if I build this one, I'm gonna have an idea. So I do have the hammer on me. I do have most of the nails. We need planks and we need logs. And we need a saw. So we're gonna go and get the saw. I think, is it in my truck or I put it back inside? I think nope, it's in the truck. Good. We need a lot of planks, which are here. Let's bring that. I have a few nails on me, and we're gonna take some logs from here. There we go. And we're gonna start building this part of the wall. 1 log left, 3 planks left, and 1 Leo stuck into the working bench. I think it's gonna be good. Huh. Okay. Are you okay, boy? Okay. So I think we're gonna go a little bit on an adventure, mostly a looting adventure. You're in the back of the pickup. Be right back. New plan! I've actually found parts to be able to build the SUV. Oh, components. Did I loot this place? I think that's going to be part of the new plan. But one part of the new plan will be to build the SUV. So I brought the parts with the pickup. We're already going to fill the tank just to have some fuel in that bad boy. And I also have the tires. And I'm too heavy to run. So let's put the first tire. Oh, come on, this is so long. The 10 minutes for the tires feel longer than the 20 minutes for the engine. That's not even funny. But we're gonna have a running SUV, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. That's not how we get inside an SUV, Leo. Please. So we're gonna bring the SUV back home. We're gonna park it near the garage because this is where it's going to go. There we go. Will I be able to back this up? Why do I feel like there is 2 transmissions on this SUV? Please back. Is Scott a magician? I mean, look at him float. Scott has always been broken. Okay. Nope, I need a filter. So I'm gonna run back to the pickup and I'll be back with you. And we are back. I had to reload the game because I was having an issue with my gas mask, which I couldn't change the filter. So the issue is now resolved. And we're gonna go here. So Leo, I need you to stay, boy. Like I said, I do not want you to go in there with the green mist. So, what did I miss? Oh wow, 2.39. That's a good amount of fuel. So you're definitely a car I won't destroy. Maybe I did come here. 1.35, I think I'm gonna keep you. 135 is not so bad. And we have a real mist coming in. Oh god. I've got to make it this quick. Oh, that's not a fake bottle. That's fake clay though. So if I did loot this place, I was a bit sloppy doing it. Do we have friends here? No. Nothing. Hey. Okay. And I'm dehydrated. Fantastic. Fantastico. Is that really a mist or is this just it is just foggy? Let's go and find out, boy. Sure wish I could give you some water. I'm feeling bad that you are always thirsty, but I cannot do anything about it. That was a post. I need to get driving lessons. That's for sure. Do I have some liquid left in some of those? I'm gonna drink on that. And 0.2 liters. Okay. Okay. Did I duplicate a filter? Is that something that happened? Oh man. This is broken. This is broken. So we still have the issue though with... Thanks, Leo. Do we risk it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna risk it to go. Nope, it's pretty clear that's a full mist. So we're not gonna risk it. One thing... Oh, that's right, I started to build a bed here. Just because. And yep, you're gonna have a separate bed, Scott. Which is this one. That's right. You're gonna go into the doghouse. That's gonna be Scott's house. I just want to find out if that's a real mist or if it's just foggy. Let's rest for it. That was kind of stupid and a mistake because I left the gate open. But it looks to be just foggy. Okay. We're gonna take a ride, my friend, because I really want to be able to upgrade the repair bench. Not the repair bench, but the workbench. So we're gonna take a look at the cars here. Hi, pickup. We're gonna take our sledgy just in case. There we go. 171. It's not the best, but it's not horrendous. I think I've already looted this place. Yep, I did. Oh yeah, that's the one that had the backpack here. And what about you? Oh wow, you're a major hit. You are a major hit. So I'm definitely not gonna destroy you. Oh, there was a tree there. Should have told me, Leo. You're my co-pilot. I did destroy a car here. There's nothing to destroy up there. What about here? I'm pretty sure there was cars. We cannot destroy this one. Oh, but we can destroy this one, which have only 0.75 of fuel, so you're gone. Huh, why are you so bright here? I don't know. Oh, by door. Let's hope you're gonna give us a good amount of scrap metal, because I need it. Really? You're giving me another engine? Not gonna say no, but okay. Components, scrap metal, good. That was a pretty decent car to break in. How's the engine? Wow. That's a full 100% engine. What could you ask more? I mean, yep, this car doesn't give us any fuel, so you're gone. I hear you, Wolf. I'm not here for you. I'm here for the cars and the scrap metal. Because we need gears, we need all the things. Woo! Something went wild there. Oh, good. Quite a lot of scrap metal. I'm really happy with that. Where did that piece go? Please come back, because I think you were scrap metal, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, floating stick, and I think that piece is gone. Yep, it's gone. Never gonna find that back. Baseball bat, why not? I have plenty of those, but... So I'm gonna continue, and I'm gonna be back with you guys in just a moment. And we are back with a visitor. Yep, I just... well, I did not kill it. You did. Good boy. Still did not do anything around here. What I was trying to do is I'm trying to complete at least one panel or one gate, one place in the wall, whatever you want to call it, just because I want to see how it will work for the tree base. So I still need a log, so I think we're gonna cut one of the trees around here. Be careful, boy. Daddy's cutting trees, and Daddy is not really good with an axe. There. Did it all go on the other side of that? Where are my logs? Oh, okay, good. They're not in the green mist. Don't go there, Leo. I don't want you coughing. So yeah, I wanted to finish this one here with the ladder. Oh, I need 3 nails. I thought I had enough nails. Well, we're gonna make more nails. That's for sure. We do need... let's split in half and make 3 batch of nails. I'm gonna make them myself because it's gonna take too long with Scott. And I don't think Rachel... No, Rachel, we don't have Rachel right now, but I think Rachel would be best to make the nails. Not sure about that. But we will have to... That's the second rabbit I find on the ground like that. Do I even need to put traps? That's the 3rd rabbit. What's going on with the rabbits on the ground? Are you hunting behind my back, boy? If you are, look at that! I mean, how many rabbits am I gonna get? I'm not complaining, but... Oh, I need a hammer. Oh, that's why it stopped. It wasn't... Did you guys just see that? That was a rabbit right up in my face. Okay. I think there's a glitch with the rabbits. And I think I need a new hammer. I will not complain about the fact that rabbits are popping up like that. That's actually a good source of food, but yeah, look at that. I really feel like it's cheating, and I don't want to be a cheater. Oh. Oh. Okay. That gate will be useless for the truck, but still useful for me. Let's climb up here. So yeah, I think this is going to work well. Let's see. Let's see. Tree. Do I go? No, I don't want to go with a tree base like that because I will have to put, yeah, I will have to put some stairs or some sky path to go there. This is a base watchtower. But what about the watchtowers themselves? Tree base foundation. Do I go with the tree base foundation? What are the watchtowers like? Where are they? I want to know, where are the watchtowers? Are they here? No, they don't seem to be here. Clearly not here. Are they here? Yes, they are here. No, I don't think I'm gonna put the watchtower there. I really want to have a tree base. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is, can I not, I do not want to fall down here. Because I think if I fall down here, I'm done for. So what I think I'm gonna do, let's try this out. See? This. Nope. Not sure about that. Really not sure about what I want to do there, guys. What do you mean tree not found? That's a tree. What do you mean? That's not working as I would have liked it to work. Why isn't it working? I mean, I'm close to the tree. Is it because that's not the kind of tree you want? Okay, so we do not have any other option than to go with this. How will this look? Is that straight in front of it? Let me take a look from upstairs. That's too high, way too high. And I've hurt myself. Good job, leg. Let's do another take on that. What I want to be able, how do okay, I just roll like that. Okay. Will this be good? Will this be the right height? Okay, that's about good. Just need to rotate it a little bit. Can you pick this up when it's... no, I don't think you will be able to pick this up. So we need that to rotate a tiny bit on the other side. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna be able to have... We're gonna be able to have it. So I think if it's like that, 5 meters still the right height. I think that's gonna be good. Now, will it go inside here? It doesn't go inside here, and that's too far. I rotated it too much. I know, Leo, I know. Daddy's got some issues with that. Like that, maybe? I think that's gonna be as good as it's gonna get. Yep, I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Show off. So we have the nails in. We need quite a lot of logs. We need some lashings. Any other rabbits? No? He just fell in my face. Really don't know what's going on with the rabbits. I do need some lashings. 16 of them, I think. My inventory is gonna be clogged just because of the rabbits. Come, boy. Come with me, boy. 10 o'clock. We're still doing pretty good. I sure hope that the base is going to go down into the ground. I'm gonna chop some logs and I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. We are back. Made a mistake. The pickup is flipped upside down. So we're gonna have to go on foot for a little while. Still need 6 logs. Why not? Oops, sorry. Do not want to cut a tree with a gun. So yeah. The truck is flipped upside down, which is something that happens. So we're gonna have to make the jack, that's for sure. Because I don't think I have the jack anywhere. I should have emptied my inventory for that. So, oh, poor Leo. Oh God. I think that by flipping the truck, I broke our dog. We're gonna try and resuscitate him as soon as we're gonna be able to have the jack. Really want to finish that tree base foundation. Yeah, why not? Let's cut one of those trees here. You're just fine for that. Yeah, I went up just to try and cut trees a little bit further away from the base. But mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Okay. All is good, all is good. And I think that's gonna be enough. It's gonna be more than enough. That was a big tree. Oh, that's good. We're gonna put that into the blueprint, and it's... Oh, good, okay. So it went down. Good, good, good. I know, too much weight, but I want those 2 logs. I can't. Will I be able to climb up the ladder with all of that stuff on me? Yep. Now what we want is... Do I want the stairs or a small sky path? First of all, go down, sir. Second of all... Oh. Are you too long for that? Yeah, you're too long for that. So we're gonna go with the stairs. Just to be able to walk from one place to the other. So, what if the stairs... Q and R. Okay. Why can't you turn? Oh, that's because... No, I want to turn them before. Why isn't Q and R working? Is it because... Let's try again. Okay, Q and R is not working. So... Will it work if I do this? And then... Wait a second. I'm gonna try to start them from the tree base. There we go. What if I start them from here? Will it be easier? I want them to go straight from here. Come on. Control, we want to reduce the angle. There we go. That's how you do it. What if put them like this? Why it okay, what if I do this? Will they work? Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Will they work? It totally works. It looks pretty derpy, but it works. So we have access to the tree base now. All is good. So the rabbit thing is just, I don't have any more water. So I think I'm gonna leave the episode here, guys. So I really do hope that you enjoyed the work we did today. We managed to do quite a lot. So if you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, or subscribe. It is always appreciated from me. But until next time, guys, please enjoy yourselves. Be safe. Bye-bye.